Hey everyone, Sylwia here, and welcome to my 7-figure sales machine review. So, we are talking about the newest launch by James Espino and Jeremy Kennedy. So, both guys are highly achieved vendors and affiliate marketers who have been in the trenches for years and decades. I mean, Dave Espino is a legend indeed, and so is Jeremy Kennedy, of course. Okay, guys, so before we get to it, before I show you everything I have the members area. Yeah, I've got some splendid bonuses for those who decide this is the product for them and decide to pick up this product via the link below my review. I've got some amazing bonuses, hand-picked bonuses, which will complement this product nicely. Just to give you I'll give you a sneak peek into the members area. I have watched all of the training. Dave Espino very kindly gave me the review access. As I was going through the training, I felt like, okay, this is gonna be the launch of the year probably. Really impressive stuff. A lot of super valuable, hacks as to how to really make great profits using YouTube as your, power machine, as your powerhouse to drive free organic traffic to your offers, to your courses, affiliate offers, to your own courses, your own products, to your lead magnets, to grow your email list. Ways to monetize a YouTube channel are almost endless. At least there's quite a few very good, very effective ways to do so. But before I show you the members area, I just want to mention that how this product came about. So the backstory behind it is that Dave Espino met Russell Brunson, so the ClickFunnels guy, quite a few years ago, 8 years ago, I forgot the number. And he was asked by Russell to create a few training courses from the interviews he held with quite a few highly achieved YouTubers. Okay, and Dave, by going through those interviews, really picked the secrets, how to crash it with your YouTube channel and how to turn it into a money machine. And that was a few years ago. And then he put all of the advice, all of those hands-on instructions, into practice. I'm not too sure how many YouTube channels Dave has these days. I sure do know of one, which he's running with James Renouf. I think it's called Making Money with AI, and, this is really the case study, a showcase. He's showing you, taking that YouTube channel as an example, on how to really implement all of those secrets and make it work and make really nice profits with it, with this method, okay? So let's dig in. Let me show you all of the info that I have for you here. So here is the sales page, and do listen to Dave here. He talks about, this product in the sales video, and then if you decide this is for you, you just click this button here. It's going to take you to the checkout. We'll go through the funnel in a second. The front end is only $12.95. Okay, there will be a bump offer and a few upsells, which I'll discuss later. So as you can see, here is a picture of Dave and Russell. Oh yeah, it does say here that they met in 2015. So read through the sales page. I want to show you now the members area. So let me give you a rough idea of what this product is all about. Clearly I cannot reveal all of the secrets, and trust me, these are really powerful hacks that Dave shares with you here. And you'll have it all delivered in a nicely looking PDF format. So here first is just click on the image, and that's gonna take you to the video. The videos are anything between 5 to 10 minutes, I would say, okay? And you'll have about 10 videos. I'm gonna scroll through the whole document just to show you what kind of videos you will have. So first you're gonna have the introduction video. Then in the second video, Dave will talk about, and all of the videos have been put together by Dave. Dave Espino, he really is the master of presenting the information in concise, tight, so like really nicely structured. He doesn't get carried away too much, as I do sometimes. Something, I can take inspiration from when it comes to Dave, just to make the content really like on point. He's the master of it. So let's learn from him. Now the foundation to this system. Now this is the story behind how it was discovered, this video, and that's basically the system. So your YouTube channel will obviously drive you free organic traffic. You will need to set it up the right way. And guys, I give you with my bonuses a very beginner friendly, actually now 2024 I should really say, right? Beginner's guide, and some how to do some YouTube shorts. There's a training here as well. There's desktop vertical video and how to do AI reels. This course shows you how to turn pictures into videos. So a lot to do with video marketing, and I thought these bonuses will complement this product nicely. But going back to the video number 3, okay, so this is the system basically. But what's most fascinating about it is the tools that Dave uses, and I love how he demonstrates it, and it's really, really achievable to anyone who's just going to do it, right? So you upload your video, and then you will grow your email list, and then you will send a special newsletter with your latest video. Maybe I'm already saying too much, but a special newsletter, and they will show you what kind of newsletter you will send to your video, to your subscribers, and how to grow this list of subscribers, targeted subscribers, because they will want your video, they will want your content, and they will keep coming back, and you will be sending your videos only, to those who got interested, who decided to sign up, okay? And that obviously, because the click-through rate and the retention, the viewers' retention will be so high, that will signal to YouTube that your videos are wanted. And this way, YouTube will bump your videos up, so your SEO will be significantly improved. Alright, let's move on. So video number 4 is understanding the one big goal. And the goal is to reach your perfect audience. How? There's a few factors that will contribute to that. Just follow the training and you will be good to go. Now then, how to create the irresistible lead magnet and how to do it. And then how to create this newsletter using some secret platforms. Okay, I did blur it because, these are really platforms probably not many people talk about. I have learned about these platforms from this training course. So, and I have been on YouTube for well over 2 years. And there were like secret platforms to me indeed. Now, how to create this free newsletter and the whole setup walkthrough here, and then how to even create a paid newsletter. And you have the setup here, the best ways to promote your lead magnet, to grow that email list, okay, and how to create this QR code, QR code, Freudian slip of a tongue. Okay, now how secrets to bulk video creation, and these guys have really mastered it. Dave with James, smashing it with the YouTube channel called again Making Money with AI. To check it out, it's a very good YouTube channel. And video number 11, SEO strategy to rank videos on YouTube and Google, and conclusion. And then below you will have a bonus video and a link to a software, a special software, and some OTOs in case you missed them. And yeah, these are the vendors, Jeremy Kennedy and Dave Espino. All of the training videos by Dave. Okay, now let me show you quickly the the funnel. So the front end $12.95, and there will be a bump offer of $9.99, which is your YouTube's brand new feature for walkthrough. Okay, right. Okay, upgrade number 147, advanced step-by-step strategies, with a bump offer of done for you YouTube thumbnail templates. Upgrade number 247, AI faceless video frenzy, with a bump offer $9.99, automatic video multiplier. Upgrade number 327, it's called AI mega prompts templates and methods pack. And then upgrade number 4, quite pricey, $597, that's YouTube sales machine flagship masterclass. Masterclasses are always expensive because they're masterclasses. Goes without saying, right? Upgrade number 5, it's a monthly, guys, $297, quite pricey as well, but I guess it's really for action takers. It's high value group coaching. Coaching is always, expensive, especially with, highly successful mentors. And then, as I was saying, I've got some bonuses for those who decide this is the product for them and buy it via the link below my review. Obviously, you will access my bonuses by going to Warrior Plus, to your purchase history, and then by clicking on, I'm showing it to you now on the screen. So by going to affiliate bonuses from your Warrior Plus account. Alright guys, that was my 7-figure sales machine review. Thank you very much for sticking with me till the end, hopefully. Okay, and see you in my next one. Bye!